Hey, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle.
I'm Jeff.
He's James. We're just as wondering. And this is our
Van.
and this is
van.
our Mercedes Sprinter van conversion.
We're in this today. Because we have a water leak in the boat and it's very, very hot. So we've escaped the boat because we've got no water in the boat. So we can come and find some water to hide and chill.
Well, we thought we'd show you around the van because we love it and we think it's time.
Welcome to the van.
Welcome to the van.
As you approach the van reveal, you have this appropriately placed cookies. So you look, wow, and we have junk.
Yeah, that's food and
That's not
lunch
food.
boxes.
This is not food.
Oh, I didn't put that in there. Anyway, we have 3 evenly spaced cubbies that you can get to from the outside, which is
Flip-flops.
convenient. Flip-flop standard. And you can also access from the inside, which is good, apart from the bottom one, because that is where the diesel heater is, so that one's from the outside. Then we have 3 massive drawers.
Massive, almost as big as Annabelle's head.
They're massive, which we have a lot of junk in the minute because we're away and we did it quickly. Quick packed.
We're still in process of building, really, aren't we?
Yeah, very much so.
So this is like a van update rather than a van tour.
Yeah, but you know, you'll see pretty much what it's like. That one's an under sink one, and the sink was just, we don't need to show them inside everyone because it's a mess.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have our Dometic 50 litre fridge, which works really well.
Sorry, I tried to show inside again.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
We have a small sink, which I believe is a can, and we actually have running water.
We don't have hot water yet though, do we?
No.
We're in process of
Water today.
definitely. But unlike the boat, running water.
We've actually took a step forward in the van and a step backwards in the boat. It's a great life. But anyway, moving round to the corner, we have our bookshelf, which is super, super cute.
This is the big one. Wow, it's winning.
Yeah, for this weekend, that's what we've been using. And then we have this one. Let's go, man.
Thanks, Mum and Dad.
Mum. And in this corner, we have our secret hubby, which is just like a storage unit,
Dog food.
basically. I put dog food and stuff in there. And then we actually have an oven and a grill in this van with a 3-burner hob, which is great. It's brilliant. It like ups your game completely in a van because you're off grid. You can have a lasagna and a cooked dinner. Not that you want it in the seat.
So that was quite expensive, but
Yeah.
it will pay for itself in the same way that in our last van, tiny van, the fridge paid for itself because you can buy food rather than having to go out all the time. Just be lazy, put other meals in.
Like the dog.
Simple, lazy. Like these guys. We've just been for a swim. So that's Willow. And Bella. Oh, this brings us round to this section. This area here is Bella's bed. So at the moment we haven't got upholstered cushions, we've literally just got 2 dog beds because they kind of fit. Awesome cushion from Lake District.
What's it?
Under here, which...
Oh, that's going to be quite sad.
Okay, I'm not going to show you under here because it's
No,
not
I
even...
can show you.
Okay.
Basically, there's a shower tray and I'm being eaten alive here.
Okay, I'm just going to quickly peel it up, okay? You ready? You ready?
A shower tray and a toilet, which isn't plumbed in yet, and a storage hubby over there with pants in.
So that's like the dirty washing section. This is toilet and shower. So what's going to... You can see it's not finished, neither is this one. So what's going to happen is we're going to have a shower head which we can attach to here instead of doing any more plumbing. So I'll attach a shower head to here on just some like random hose. That'll fix up here. We'll have something that you can pull up to here. So it'll be like a section, like a dry section, a wet section. We'll take the toilet out, obviously wash having a shower, and then we'll plumb through and out. And then
Being eaten alive.
this little section is just going to be used as dirty washing, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
that section down there.
and we need to put a hinge on there. This again is just in process. It's just...
This is like a big storage box. Or needs hinging. I'm sorry if this is really like jittery, but we're in this campsite at the minute and there's so many of these
On your head.
nasty flies that are eating us alive. I think I might smell good.
No, you smell bad. Flies like sheep. Sheep. You smell. You smell like a sheep.
This won't look like a sauna either eventually because this will have to be painted and all the other bits will be, and we're going for like a olive green and a rose colour.
So, how good does the kitchen look?
Oh, Willow's just
Can't
eating
really
one of the
tell.
nasty
Willow's
flies.
just got to fly. So yeah, this will be painted. Ceiling might stay wood, mightn't it?
Yes.
But oh, another feature. Fan. Max,
Brilliant.
Max Fan Deluxe, which is so good because when you're in bed and it's hot, you can open this window, have that on, suck out, and it pulls a constant draft of cool air through over the bed and out. So that's amazing, to be honest.
It's brilliant. So in the bedroom we have a full small double, is that like the right word to say? But full size small double bed. It's a foam mattress on the IKEA struts, which are brilliant.
We showed you in another video, didn't we?
Yeah,
Oh,
Willow's
we're losing the dog.
on the attack of the flies for us. But yeah, so
This isn't finished yet, is it? But to get full length mattress in, we've done cutouts here. So that's our curtain, which hasn't quite gone up yet. Curtain goes there. So we've got insulation up to here, but then we've just got, what is it? It's the Dodo.
there's Dodo sound deadening and then Dodo something else, isn't
Yeah,
there?
Dodo sound deadening and Dodo.
I'll put
foam.
it here.
And then we've got all of this is all insulated with the sound deadening,
Sheep's wool.
the Dodo foam, and then the sheep's wool, which actually keeps it really cool. isn't it?
Brilliant.
And warm in here in the winter.
Over here you've got your overheads, so these aren't finished either, they've got to have doors on, it'll be painted and just up. But you can see like we've got a massive amount of storage, and then the same again with the cutout here.
Which also needs finishing off.
Yeah, it's all a bit of a mess at the minute, but
Willow's chasing us. It's on you.
she's a good dog.
We put curtains on the back there just because it's nicer.
Yeah, we're going to be painting or doing something with this trim, but you can actually see what insulation we used there, which is very fluffy. And yeah, we've put some curtains out to make it look a bit more fresh.
Under the bed is obviously
Garage.
big old garage.
So, garage, which has got a lot of stuff in currently. Hello. But massive garage, which we're hoping to improve on soon, which also holds a 90-litre water tank. Our electric system's just behind there, and our gas locker is behind there too. So we're at that part of the vlog now. You can kind of see that we're not in the boat, we're in the van. And we're
A table would be here, wouldn't it?
Yes, we're doing an advert right now.
Yeah, but part of the advert, what we would do at this table is we'd check our Nebo app
We would.
to make sure the boat's not gone missing.
We would. So the advert of today, the sponsor of this video is Nebo.
Almost like I meant it.
Yeah, swiftly on to today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Nebo. Nebo is an app where you can track where your boat location is and your voyages. It'll automatically track your voyages if you have the Nebo Link device, which we've got installed in our boat. So while we're away in the boat, we can track and make sure our boat is safe if it focuses. Why do you never focus? There you go. So you can see that our boat is quite safe in the marina. Currently, while we are away in the van exploring, Nebo will also check your battery voltages if you set it to, or warn you when your battery drops below a certain voltage, which is brilliant. And it'll automatically track where we're going, which is great when we turn the engine on, so we don't have to worry. And everything is sent to you via email in a log. So yeah, if you're interested in Nebo, there'll be a link in the description. We'd really appreciate it if you check it out. Back to the vlog. So that concludes the van tour. We really hope you enjoyed the update, and we shall be doing another one soon with the finished tour and with all the new bits we have.
More in depth.
More in depth, that's what I'm looking for, the shower and bits. But yeah, we really hope you enjoyed it. Heading back to the boat tonight, so yeah. stick with us, and we should, next one you should see would be the water tank leak. Nightmare. God.
Like and subscribe. Or the whippet eats it.
Bye for now.
Wait.